Hello guys, use smartphone Poco F3, this version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Device in the white color. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, protected by cover and documentary. Okay. Device made of glass. And complementation, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, and now talk about device. On the front side 6.7-inch display, front camera, on this side without controls, this side power key and volume keys, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM card, upside speakers, backside triple camera LED, and turn on device. Display Full HD AMOLED display, 120 Hz. About phone MIUI Global 12.0.3, Android 11. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. Snapdragon 870, octa-core processor, CPU speed 1.8, 2.4 and 3.2 GHz, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores, GPU Adreno 650. Results and GPU test results, very good results. Okay, look into the benchmark score. Onto the benchmark score, close this, and run the money game Guitar San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Resume game on the max graphic level. Game works very good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.